uchiha. Uchiha. Madara.
What are you doing? What are you doing? No! Is this the power of a god? I have to be ready. You dance well. You there, female medical ninja. You have it. His blood runs through your veins, doesn't it?
And what if it does?
So even if you are his descendant, what do you really have to offer? Just what can you hope to do in this battle? You cannot use wood style. Your medical ninjutsu doesn't even come close to his. And most of all, you're merely a weak woman.
Why did you hold back against us?
What adult would go full force when fighting mere children? Do not misunderstand it. This is not power of your creation! There he is now.
But why? That wasn't the agreement. Lord Hashirama said...
There is no alliance now. You'll merely bow down to the might of the Hidden Leaf. And also, never mention that shinobi's name in my presence again.
Impossible. He split the mountain.
This is madara uchiha strength? Then why, earlier,